So yeah, I'm happy to share I joined a new startup called Hours Unlimited. Hey, boss. Um, it's really intense. I've been working a lot on the product, so at the same time, I'm like, okay, how can I upgrade Rails? And I was like, what if I could get Claude to upgrade Rails for me? Sorry, I'm using Claude, boss, but just for this. And then I was like, okay, Claude, upgrade Rails for me. And Rails went ahead and did it and started doing all these changes to the code base. And I look at all the changes and I'm like, oh, cool, that is awesome. But I know for this huge monolith, I might want to dual boot. So why dual boot, Claude? And Claude is like, oh, yeah, what is dual boot, actually? Well, yeah, thanks for asking. Okay, so dual booting is basically like just adding a symlink that's called like a gemfile.next that points to a gem file, and then you can quickly, with one environment variable, switch between Rails 7.1 and Rails 7.0. And then you can run the spec with two different versions with just this one line here. And if you need to do different things in different versions, you can do stuff like this. And for debugging is super helpful. And Claude was like, no, too many conditionals, too complicated, I don't want to do that. And I was like, okay, cool, but I think it's still worth it because I can do gradual deployments, and I can debug things, and I can have a smaller upgrade branch for my code base. And then Claude is like, yeah, okay, write a Claude skill. I'm like, say less, bro. This is Goofy Daddy, if anybody's wondering. This is what my kids see when they see Goofy Daddy. So, okay, Claude code, really cool. We all know what it is. What is a Claude skill? It's basically a text file that tells Claude what to do in a very specific way, and it's really good for repeatable things. Can you combine skills? Yes, and it's pretty cool. You can extend them, you can combine them, and then Claude will figure out how to get more text files into your environment so that it can do cool things like dual booting, addressing deprecation warnings, and all that jazz. And when you use Claude, you basically have a slash command that enables you to upgrade from Rails 2.3 to 3.0. And yeah, there are a lot of companies using Rails 3.2 in production, so don't ask me. I can tell you more about that later. This is all open source. You can find it over here, install it, and run it today if you want. And it is a very opinionated Claude code skill to upgrade Rails the right way. And what's the right way? The fast Ruby way, of course. So the cool thing about using experience and LLMs is that you get speed, and not just speed, but you also use fewer tokens, which is cheaper for you. And this is an example of the work we do at Umbo Labs, which is basically custom AI work. And Fast Ruby, Jeremy gave us a great explanation of what that does. And we run into this very often. I don't understand why it takes so long to upgrade Rails. I was like, well, it's okay, yeah. It's because you haven't upgraded in 10 years, okay, that's why. So why do I need a skill to do this? Well, Annie's talk was great because it gave us an idea of what it looks like to do a big change in a big organization, big code base. It's a process that's repeatable. It usually just takes intent to actually do it. It's not a code problem. It's more a culture and a process problem. So if we can codify that in a skill, then we make it easier for Claude to do the work in a repeatable way. So our skill does have strong opinions, strongly hope, like this one. No test suite, no upgrade for you. It's not going to work. Don't try it. So just write a test suite. One smoke test is enough. And it will strong arm Claude into dual booting. It'll dual boot all the things in all the places, and it will fix the test suite until it works. And it covers Rails 2.3 to 8.1 and beyond. And I would love it if you give it a try and you report back that it works or it doesn't. The not cool thing about Claude skills is that you have no way of knowing how many people installed it, used it, and it worked. So thank you.
Thank you.